Piper's just what Maddie wanted.
Princess gown on.
Ariel doll. Did you wish for it, Leah?
Oh, Santa must have heard. You told Lila, didn't you?
And you were a good girl, right?
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Maddie, you didn't sleep last night. She's up there. She's in the house. She's in the kitchen. Are you gonna have her meet everybody? Yay!